Okay, guys, here's how to fix that problem on slide 6 for Module 1, Lesson 2 guided notes. I believe it is only on slide 6. So you're going to click to go into the assignment, and then you're going to scroll down to page 6. And the slide numbers kind of match with the page numbers. So if you look here, we have slide 6 here. So the problem is when you click on this, when you click on yours, the entire blue box comes up around your writing here, which wasn't allowing you to type in. So once you have that blue box around the entire screen, click Arrange and then Order, and you want to send backward or send to back. Again, make sure you have that blue box around the entire slide on slide 6. Click Arrange, Order, and then Send to back. And that will then send that entire picture to the back, which now allows you to type in each of the sections. For the other pages, when we look at slide 7, if you click up here, you can't type in any of the stuff, but as soon as you go to the boxes, it will allow you to. I believe that's the only slide that had that problem. If you have any more difficulties or run across anything else, just email me or Miss Gust and we'll take care of it. Thanks.